Good morning, guys. It's about 6:30 in the morning right now, and I'm getting ready to leave for the airport. I just did a quick makeup, curl my hair, and put on some comfy clothes so that I'm comfortable for the day of traveling, and I'm getting ready to leave my family, my kitty cats and my Jacob, and I'm really sad, but I'm looking forward to this trip. I'll be gone about a week, and it'll be really nice to come home to them. So let's get into this vlog. I'm super excited to bring you guys saying goodbye to the boys. He's never really been without me, so I wonder how he's gonna react. I guess he did get away from me when I went to New York. That was like when I first got him, but he's not adjusted to me since. And okay, so I'm nervous for how he's gonna react. I'll see you later, buddy. Take care of the house, okay? You're in charge. Enjoy your bed. It's super dark there, but enjoy it, okay? I love you. I'll see you soon. Bye, buddy. I love you. Will you be a good, sweet boy? Keep the peace. I love you. Bye. Change of plans. I had a little accident on the way to the airport, so we had to stop. It's 9 o'clock. My flight leaves, sorry, I'm trying to be in Jacob's way. My flight leaves at 10:35, and it took me like 20 minutes to clean up. I love being disabled sometimes. And I'm never showing my face in the bathroom ever again because that's really embarrassing, but flying never goes as I planned, but I think that's life. I'm leaving. I have to give you back my ring.
Yep. Give me.
My ring's opal and I can't wear it in the water, and instead of me taking it off all the time, I'm just gonna leave it with him and be single for a week. I've already had a rough start to the morning, and I don't want it to continue to be rough. Jacob was taking a picture of me in the terminal, and a lady was like, "Hey, will you take my picture too?" So he got to be an Instagram husband for somebody else, and I thought it was really funny. So I'm gonna insert that clip here because it's only like a 2-second clip, so it really doesn't make sense what's going on, but I wanted to explain that because I thought it was funny. Veronica! Hi! Ryan is in the back putting my chair away because he's a great man. I'm so excited to be here. I need to tell Veronica about the plane right here because it was a little crazy, but I'm super excited to be here. Baby, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm crying because I love you. 95 with you, bitch. I mean, who wanna hide this? I will never, ever, 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 ever be your side chick. I put the singing single and worry about a ring on my finger so you can tell your friend. Shoot your shot when you see him. It's okay, he's already in my DMs. Did you? Yeah! I'm in Louisiana, guys. New Orleans, here we come! Zoom in, being really close. Okay, it is the end of the first night. We drove from Houston to New Orleans, and now we're in a hotel. I'm a little bit sick if you can't tell. That's gonna go away, I hope. Veronica's downstairs getting her friend Joe, and we're gonna get ready for the night. Good morning, are you excited?
Good morning!
Woo! Look at her, just chilling in her bed. We still gotta get ready, it's still super early.
My Bachelorette party weekend!
Woohoo! We're leaving now, guys!
Foot now. Left foot now, y'all.
Oh, cranberry. Cranberry?
Something's in there though.
63. O with a 6 and a 3.
So we had brunch this morning, and then I ended up, we had some people get sick, so they went back to their room, and I started to feel kind of nauseous, so I decided to come down here. There's ice cream behind me. I got that. I love the ice cream. And then I'm just sitting out here looking at the water. There's water as far as the eye can see, and it's insane. It's like oddly calming and peaceful and relaxing, so I'm just sitting out here kind of taking it all in. It's peaceful and it's relaxing, but it's also really scary at the same time, so Just kind of relaxing out here, enjoying it. Look how stinking cute. We just got back to our room and I'm gonna relax for a little bit and then we're gonna get ready for dinner tonight. It's formal night and so I'm gonna try to look really cute and really good. Right now I'm just kind of in like this cute romper that I bought from Target and I wasn't honestly sure how I was gonna like rompers. I wasn't sure I was gonna like it, but this is actually pretty good. I thought I was gonna have to cut it to be able to pee in it, but I was able to just take the top down and be able to calf that way. So this was only $15 and it's really comfortable and I think it was a good purchase. Oh, and it's storming outside if you guys can hear that.
Sweet child of mine, town girl, living in a lonely world. She took the midnight train going anywhere.
No problem, hey, good looking ladies, burning out a one night stand. YMCA, it's gonna stay at there. YMCA, young man, you need to feel down. Young man.
It is day 3 and we are now in Cozumel. So some people went down to get breakfast and then we're going to get off of the ship and go to a resort that we're paying it's like an all-inclusive resort that we're going to, and we're going to just sit by the pool. We get unlimited drinks and food today, so we're just gonna go and drink and eat food.
Hey, we're in Mexico.
We're at Mr. Sancho's. It's an all-inclusive resort and it's super freaking cute and nice.
Gonorrhea, she can suck my penis. That's not what it says. That's what it sounds like it says.
This is where I'm at right now, guys. This is where I'm at. Gonna get me some drinks.
Ready?
Cheers! Yeah.
I'm getting married.
She's getting married. All wiped out from swimming in the pool all day. I didn't drink as much as I thought, but I think my favorite thing was the yellow thing that I was drinking, or this Sex on the Beach. This is super good. It's watered down right now, but very, very good and tasty. I'm getting ready to take a shower so that, like, guys watching me, so that I can get changed into a dress so that I can go back on the cruise ship and actually change, because I feel disgusting right now. Today was such a long day. I didn't get a lot of sleep last night. And then being in the sun all day, I'm exhausted. So I'm gonna lay here for a little bit and relax before I need to shower fully and get ready for dinner. Tonight we're just doing kind of a casual night, and then tomorrow we're doing our all black outfit. So I'm just gonna try to wear something casual. This is all the food. That is literally all of the food that I ordered so that I could try it. I tried lamb tonight, rabbit. It was all really good. Veronica could film some of it, so I'll let you watch that in her video whenever she posts it.
What do you want, bigger?
His bottom.
Talking parrot inside your bedroom. What? It wasn't a noise, it was a phrase. What phrase would it most likely learn?
It's day 4 now. I'm getting ready to just start the day. I actually slept in a lot today. Like, I woke up I think at like 10:30, 11, and I've been waking up really early a lot. So I'm really just not feeling my best today, if I'm being honest. I have a headache and the rocking of the boat is really starting to get to me. So I'm not putting that much effort into my appearance. I'm just curling my hair a little bit and I'm gonna head out. And I found a giant like rash or something on my thigh that's kind of worrying me. Today's our last day on the boat tomorrow we debark, I think it's the right word. And tomorrow's my birthday. I'm gonna be 27 and it's crazy. So we'll drive back from New Orleans to Houston tomorrow, and then maybe celebrate my birthday, maybe just chill, I'm not sure. And then I go back home on Tuesday. So that's kind of where things are at right now. I'm gonna go ahead and sign off here and show you what I can get into today.
I'm happy for you. You're getting married. It's much deserved. I wish you a good life.
I'm getting married.
You gotta get married.
Any way you want it, that's the way you need it. Any way you want it. Wasn't right, girl. Oh, baby.
This glass of champagne.
Cause I got friends in those places where the whiskey downs and the beer chases my blues.
Now it's time to leave and make it turn
Around you, say baby I love you. If you ain't running game, say my name, say my name.
Which one? This one? That one. What is it?
Make it long. Just take it.
No, one more.
Shampoo breath get you out of my hair. Fresh photos with the bomb lighting.
Oh, this has flash on. I'm finally getting to meet Veronica's cat. Hi. Oh, he's so happy. She's so, oh, okay. Oh, hi, baby. Talk more shit. Talk.
Okay, you're like the weirdest person ever. You don't season your food. It's weird.
She's making fun of me because of this Chex Mix bowl.
She's like, oh my god, it's so good. I'm like, yeah, because there's seasoning on it. That's why.
But she's over here roasting me.
Yeah, because you don't put seasoning on your food. It's weird.
I put seasoning on this and it's good.
Because there's seasoning.
Well, then I'm missing out, I guess. Good morning. Good morning, Toby. How are you, buddy? Toby, get up here, buddy. Hi, sweet boy. Good morning. Today is the day that I go home, and if you can't tell, I'm beat. I'm exhausted. It's been an amazing, amazing day. Yesterday I did not vlog. We just traveled, and I pretty much slept the whole way home because I was exhausted. And then when we got home, we just kind of relaxed. Yesterday was my birthday. I'm 27 years old now, and we had Whataburger to celebrate, and we just stayed in and watched a new Aladdin movie. We had a really chill night, and I'm so thankful for that. Veronica lives by the airport, if you can hear that, because I was beat. I was so exhausted. And today's the day that I go home. I get to see my boys, and I've had such a blast, but I'm ready to be home. That was one of the best flights of my entire life. It was so relaxing and so nice. It was so quick. Everyone was so friendly. Like, it was a really nice flight. And now I'm gonna go meet Jacob's mom to pick me up, and I'm heading home. I'm hoping we can get some food though, because I'm so hungry. Excited. Greg's over there somewhere. Don't know where he's at. Hiding out. But he's wanting mama love too. But I'm home, guys. I had so much fun, but I'm so glad to be home. All right, guys, so that was my trip to Texas to see Veronica and our cruise to celebrate her getting married. I am exhausted. I'm gonna finish unpacking and relax with my boys. This one's very hungry if you can't hear him. So I'm gonna sign off here. I'm trying to do more vlogs, so let me know what I can improve on in these so that I can make better vlogs for you guys. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.